Hello guys, so welcome again, a new live stream today, so for Bitcoin. So let me show you here how Bitcoin in weekly chart. As expected, Bitcoin close, the close of Bitcoin is fantastic actually, it's very good. Closing above the previous high, breaking here, yes, as you can see here. But the biggest difference right now here, we don't have a
Hello
better,
guys, so welcome again, a new live stream today.
we don't have a better variance right now, so the thing here is right now is we don't have better variance in weekly chart, so we will have it, yes, in some point, but sorry about it. Just my I was checking the live stream and I forgot to turn off the sound. Okay, so never mind. So the thing here is like we will see a better variance in some point, maybe in a couple months, 2 or 3 months, maybe September, October, around there. So for now here, if you ask me right now, okay, is like this, okay? It's still like this. It was like that like maybe 2 weeks ago. So the thing here is like with this close, and especially the monthly is wonderful. Look at this close in the monthly, just in 4 days. As long as Bitcoin is closing about 30K, everything is super good, and you will see continuation to maybe 37, $36,000 around there. So from there, let's see. But my target is around, yes, between minimum $34,000 and maximum around 37. So now let's talk about the 1 day chart. 1 day chart, we have what we have here is still the momentum is to the upside, as you can see here. There is no bearish divergence, as you can see in OBV. There is no bearish divergence in curve. ADX is still positive here. So what I'm thinking right now here, you see every pullback you see right now here is to the upside. That's it. It's to the upside like this. So now, oh, but you see now it's red. It's red. Yes, but maybe in 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, right? Look at this. Here, my friend, is like this. Okay, so as long as Bitcoin is holding this area around 30K, 4 hour chart is testing right now to set a line here. So maybe in the next 24 hours, not now, not here, maybe around here, yes, it's gonna be like this. As long as 30K holds, it's gonna be like this in the next maybe 12 hours, I would say. So careful here, you're in short, because if you're in short thinking Bitcoin is gonna crash, I think you're gonna get wrecked. So careful here. Okay. Now, in 1 hour chart, you want to trade right now here. There is no volume here in 1 hour chart, but honestly, I don't care because, well, it's 1 hour chart, right? I think here is, as you can see here, the volume profile is exactly at 30K. So we don't have right now buy signal or something like that. So I think it's better to wait here. In my case, I am actually in long position right now, looking for this bounce because I will be busy today, so I have no choice. So I am around 30,300 around there, just $150 down, but I don't care, it's fine. So the thing here is like as long as Bitcoin is holding 30K, with this setup here, sorry, with this setup here in 4 hour chart, everything for me is fine, and Bitcoin we will see a bounce maybe maybe in the next 12-24 hours we can see it. Okay, so let's continue on the 5 day chart. Sorry, we have a new close in the 5 day chart here. So officially we have buy signal in 5 day chart. So out here I am bullish, like this, simple. So here I am bullish here. We will see a better variance eventually, of course, in 5 day chart. I mean, in some point, September, October, we will see better variance in many time frames, but I think the projection is still to the upside, and we will see around, as I said before, with minimum 34K and maximum 37, around there, 36, 37. And as you can see here, in 5 day chart, Bitcoin OBB bounce here, from here for MA55 here, and from there, now we can see the reaction. So of course we will see a better variance, as I said before. We will see it, yes. Maybe in that point, maybe I will open another short. But for now, at least the next 3 months is just long. So all the right now you see the market is red, right? I think for me it's just a pullback and continuation. That's it. So no major issues right now here. So let me show you here now the USD dominance. USD dominance in weekly basis, okay? You see dominance in weekly basis here. What we have here, we have a sell signal in 5-day chart, and also we have a new close in weekly chart. Well, for me, this is enough to start calling for a sell. Even if we didn't have the confirmation right now here, for me, it's like this, right? We are gonna see maybe a continuation around this area. Yes. And if this area breaks, you will see Bitcoin a very strong actually bounce for Bitcoin in the long term, of course. If this area breaks, you will see around 6%. 6%, of course, I'm expecting a bounce there. But overall, I think this is gonna be to the down. This is to the downside. This is to the downside like this. So I think Bitcoin is gonna be safe at least couple months. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with Bitcoin dominance because I am curious what is happening right now here. One second. Okay. One moment. Let me. Okay. So the thing here is Bitcoin USD dominance is, as I said before, is to the downside. And let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance because this is very interesting here. The target is around 55, 60%. It's about to reach actually this area of resistance. So get ready for this because when we see this area, we will see a drop. And if we see a drop, I mean like a correction, something like this, is when you will have an L season. We are very close from there. It will take a little bit more time, but I think actually I posted in my investing channel, in a private channel, my top 10 picks for this potential alt season we will have in the next, right now, the next 2-3 months. I'm not saying bull market, of course not, but we will have a very strong bounce for many altcoins. So right now, the market, for me, I know maybe many people they are looking for, no, Bitcoin is gonna crash. No, I don't think so. I think Bitcoin is bullish all the rest of the year, and maybe in September, October, we will see just potentially yes. In that area, in that moment, we will see a major correction. But for now, my arrow is like this, and I'm still looking for higher prices in the next couple months. Okay. So that is my technical analysis. So if you have any questions or requests, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna continue with the stock market because I wanna see there is no correlation right now between Bitcoin and the stock market, but it's good to know what is doing right now. As you can see here, we don't have better variance as you can see here for the stock market. Breaking here, as long as it's above 4,330, I am looking for an extension to 4,500. Yes, in weekly basis, of course. But of course, in 1 day chart, we have a very clear setup here. Is this a sideways or sell signal? No shorts. I said it many times. No shorts. So I don't know what kind of system you're using, but if you're using my system, between the MI55 and MI21 around here, yes, when using 1 day chart, the next potential buy signal here, something like this is gonna be like this. Not today. It will take all this week, maybe in the first week of July. But it's to the upside. No shorts. No shorts. I know you want a short, but no. No. I had a chance. In my case, I was shorting Bitcoin for 1 year last year, November 2021 and all 2022. Now is a time for longs. Okay. I know the economy sucks, but I don't care. Just I have a system of trading and I follow just the rules. Okay. So let's talk about the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I think 370 was my target. I already hit last week, and now it's exactly here. Same thing. We have a better variance here, yes, but this is just gonna be a pullback. Yeah, a pullback, and after that, continuation. The trend is your friend, and the trend in this case is to the upside. That's it. So no shorts. Okay, no at least for me, no shorts. Okay. So let me show you now the Dixie because I want to see what is happening with Dixie right now. One moment. Okay, so let me show you here weekly chart. Weekly chart for this asset is about to sell a line here, but it's not moving, as you can see here. It's not moving. Volatility contraction here. I think maybe in July, if we see the sell line testing here, it's gonna be to the downside because it's not moving, as you can see here. So this is very bad for the price. So very good for Bitcoin, yes, of course, because if we see this move, I think the rest of the year the dollar is gonna maybe test around 94, 95. So that is gonna be good for Bitcoin. Remember, when the dollar is strong, Bitcoin usually crash. When the dollar is weak, Bitcoin is very strong. So I think that's it. That's it for my technical analysis. So let me see. Oh yeah, um, I have an announcement. This is not about technical analysis. Well, it is, but it's more about psychology of trading. Um, I wrote like 2 years ago an ebook about trading, but I think it's better if I was thinking how to share this information like in a better way. So I decided to open a personal blog. And let me show you here. This is the blog here. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. As you can see here, this is the leonidascrypto.com. And you see, I wrote my first post, the reality, the harsh reality of a trader. And maybe you can find in this blog, you will find about psychology of trading, not technical analysis, psychology of trading, how um, traders, or at least in my personal opinion, what we should do if we want to learn about trading, because it's not just about technical analysis, it's about the mindset, it's about how you control your emotions and many things like that. So I am posting, I'm going to start posting 2 times per week. 2 times per week. The next actually post, the next article is ready. Just it's going to be ready next Wednesday. So as you can see here, I'm talking about the reality of a trader, and I share one of my methods how to become a good trader. Of course, this is you can apply this concept not just for trading, in a real, actually for many things you want to do. One of them, I mean, the components are very simple: is discipline, failure, repetition, and validation. And I explain here one by one what we can do, or what is the process. Okay, so I hope you like it. You have time, please read it. Maybe it's gonna be helpful for you. Of course, if you want to improve more your skills as a trader. Okay, so let's continue with Bitcoin and technical analysis in the short term. Okay, short term for Bitcoin, because this live stream is almost over. Today is empty. Today is empty. I don't have any comments, anything. It's totally fine. The thing is, right now, if you ask me right now, today is risky a little bit, yes, but I can tell you it's gonna be like this. Okay, in 4 hour chart, something like this between this yellow box around here. I mean, $29,900 TDK. As long as Bitcoin is holding this area, I am looking for continuation. And the next target is, because we don't have a better divergence right now in 4 hour chart, I will start looking for this yellow box between $33,000 and $34,000 in the maybe next week, the first week of July. So there is a very good chance Bitcoin is gonna close around 30K, and it's very good. Honestly, it's very good. I'm very happy, honestly. Of course, I am holding some altcoins. I posted my top 10 picks in the investing channel. So I updated my technical analysis for them. 3 of them actually. I need to continue. I need to update all the charts every 2 weeks. I will keep doing that, at least for the next 3 months, because my entries in weekly chart usually are for 3 months. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.